Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with engulfing zone strategy. So here I will press call option here because this is the engulfing. Here is another engulfing. So here I'm expecting bias. After this weak bias, I'm expecting strong bias at this level because of this zone and this zone. So in candlestick mass, this is engulfing. These two candles together engulf this one candle. This two candle engulf this one candle. So here is the zone and here. So you see bias at the zone, then you should expect strong bias. So if you see bias here, you should expect sellers. But if you see bias here, you should expect strong bias. If you see bias here, you should expect sellers. But if you see bias here, weak bias here, you should expect strong bias. So this is the zone. At this zone, this is the analysis of the engulfing zone strategy. As I have told you, it's already inside the ebook. So I have explained it in detail inside the ebook. So let's continue. Check another zone. You see here engulfing. So I will wait here because I'm late. Let this candle finish, then I will decide, because this is very strong sellers. So I'm expecting weak bias here, then I will go with bias again. So let's see. You see no weak bias already enter here strongly. Because I was late, I would have placed my trade because this one is very strong. So let's check another one. So let's check. So let me pause. I'm coming. I want to answer call. Okay, let's continue. So you see here breakout of this zone. You see bias entry. So let's check this one. You see breakout. I'll place call option here. I place my trade call option here because of breakout of this engulfing. You see engulfing. So you should expect bias here. What I can see here, you see market come down here, and here is engulfing. Here is another engulfing. So here is the zone. Market break this zone, so you should expect bias to enter. That's why I place my trade call option, but market is doing panic. I know it definitely it will close above my entry point. We have 5 seconds. You see this is win trade. I will place call option again, because if you see weak candle after breakout of engulfing zone, then you should expect strong bias So that's why I place my trade, because here is this zone. This is the engulfing zone. So this is the engulfing zone. This is the breakout, so you should expect buys here, but I can see weak sellers or weak buy. If you see weak buys or weak sellers, then you should expect strong buys here. So that's why I place my trade call option here. You see strong buys. Here is engulfing, here is engulfing. So you should expect buys entry here. So you see this is winning trade. So I took total 3 trades, all are winning trades with the engulfing zone strategy. So here you see this area here is engulfing, another engulfing, breakout, weak buyers or weak sellers after breakout of this first. Here is the first engulfing, second engulfing. So if market break the second engulfing, or if it is only one engulfing, if market break the area, the zone, then you place your trade. You see here, this is the first zone here. So this candle break the zone, then I see weak buyers, then you should expect strong buys, or if you see weak sellers, you should expect strong buys. So that's why I place my trade here and here as well. You see this one, sorry, yeah, this is the one here. You see this is first engulfing, this is the second engulfing, and here market break this engulfing zone, so you should expect weak buyers or weak sellers. So that's why I place my trade. Then after weak buyers, then you should weak buyers or weak sellers, you should expect strong buyers. So that's why you see I place the first after breakout with strong candle. Don't place your trade immediately, because sometimes it will create weak candle. So you wait to get marginal of safety, then you place your trade. After then you can place immediately. So that's why here I wait for marginal of safety, I place my trade, and here you see I place my trade immediately here. You see I place my trade immediately here, and you see strong buys here. You see, so this is the part 2 of the engulfing zone trading strategy. I have told you, I explained it in detail inside the ebook. So if you like my video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you, bye bye.